Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something that's compact, quiet, and surprisingly powerful. It's the PowerSmart HB502OC gas inverter generator. So whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a tailgate party, or you just need a reliable power backup at home, this unit is absolutely worth a look. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through all the features and show you who this generator is really for. So let's start with the numbers. This generator delivers 2,500 starting watts and 1,900 running watts of clean power. That means less than 3% total harmonic distortion. So it's safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, phones, TVs, and even CPAP machines. Now, when I say clean power, I'm not talking about green energy. I mean the electricity coming out is stable and smooth. It's just like what you get out of your wall in your house. That's a big deal, especially if you care about your gear. And get this, it runs at 5.5 hours at 50% load. So think coffee makers, lights, music, phone charging. You're covered for most of the day without refueling. One of the first things I noticed was how light this thing is. It weighs in at just 39.7 pounds. And thanks to the built-in handle, it's super easy to carry around. Now, I've owned a few generators over the years. And lots of them, let's be honest, they feel like dragging around gym equipment. Not this one. If you're loading up the car for a camping trip or setting up a tailgate, this is one of the few generators that you can move without needing a second person to help. And visually, check this out. It's clean, compact, and they made sure the brand sticks out. Now let's talk about noise, because nobody wants a loud generator ruining the vibe at a tailgate or a campsite. The HB502OC runs at just 52 decibels at 23 feet at 25% load. To give you a good sense of that, that's quieter than a normal conversation. Even at full load, it only hits about 59 decibels. That's still quieter than your average hairdryer. So yeah, you could still run this thing and hear your friends talk, enjoy some music, or just relax outdoors without the engine humming, drowning everything out. So who is this generator for? If you're a camper, it's a no-brainer. You can power lights, charge devices, and even run a small coffee maker or electric skillet without any drama. Tailgaters, you'll have enough juice for a mini fridge, a speaker, and even a small TV if you're really doing it right. And if you're like me and just want a backup option for home use, especially during storms, this little unit will keep your essentials going. It's not meant for running a full house or heavy-duty tools, but for what it is, it's rock solid. So to wrap things up, the PowerSmart HB502OC is lightweight, quiet, and delivers very clean, reliable power in a super portable package. It's everything you need for mobile power without all the bulk and noise. If you're interested in checking it out, I've dropped the product link below. And remember, PowerSmart,